supposed to be recording before I got to the store, but I went to stop by First Time so I can grab a couple more things. I do want to start making my shakes again. I kind of fell off, so I got some ingredients for that. Although I do need some more protein, but I still have the one I've been using, so I need to use that up. But yeah, I stopped by the Fresh Time to get a couple of things: bananas, avocados, more vegetables, chicken, shrimp. I'm actually thinking of doing something fun with the shrimp tonight. And this lady, actually, when I was putting away my cart, she was like, "Oh my God, I love your outfit." And I was like, "Oh, I mean, it could technically be an outfit, but yeah," I was just like, I put this pink button up on to cover up my tie-ties because I didn't want to put a bra on. Although they're small, they still need to be covered. But yeah, I got this black tank top that I actually got when I was thrifting. Ooh, V-neck. But yeah, and these black and white shorts here. But yeah, that was so funny to me. I mean, like I said, it could be an outfit, but it's just funny. I wasn't expecting that. So my GoPro is about to go dead, but I wanted to show you guys what I was eating after my workout. And there we are, 2 brown eggs. I'm gonna use one of these. Probably use like 3 slices of bacon, and then most likely 1 or 2 slices of cheese. Yep. Post workout. So I definitely fell asleep during nap time, so I didn't get to work out then, but I am working out later on this evening after I put the little one down for bed. I knew I was gonna fall asleep. I should have just sat up, but yeah. I woke up thinking 20 minutes went by and it was a whole hour, but that'd be cool. Nice little workout before bed. So I was trying to figure out a way to fill in and end this video because Mother Nature came in and pimp slapped me. But yeah, I came up with I can do my eyebrows because I've been needing to do them for like a couple weeks. Yeah, see this? But yeah, I'm going to fix this and yeah, go ahead and do my eyebrows because they need to be done. Then these are the things that I use to do my eyebrows. tweezers, the little brush here, and the scissors. I broke my stand, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna prop this thing up. I guess I'm not. I'm just gonna hold it. Yeah, this would be so easier if I had a stand. So yeah, like I said, what I do is use the brush and brush it up. Take the scissors and trim those edges, and then I brush it down. Take the scissors, trim those, and then I go in with the tweezer and just clean it up. You can see this unibrow here. Lord have mercy. But yeah, I'll show, once I do one eyebrow, I'll show the difference between one and the other. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I totally forgot to do one and leave the other undone, but you can clearly see the difference. But yes, my little babies, I was looking a little Anthony Davis for sure, but I cleared it up. I do want to wax, but the 3 items that I be using, the things that I use so far, I have no trouble from them, so I'll just do some waxing down the line. But yes, I finally did my eyebrows. The next time I do them, I would definitely make sure that I do one eyebrow and leave the other undone, so you can see the difference and how your girl get down, because I don't do too bad. And it's funny because my cousins actually, when I was in middle school and high school, my cousins would do my eyebrows for me, and I would get so hyped because I'm like, one day I'm gonna do my own eyebrows. I'm gonna be able to do it and arch them right, all that. And these are the days, and I so love it because I love getting compliments on my eyebrows and being able to say that I am the one that does them. So if you like more videos like these, leave it in the comments, and boom. Yeah.